My name is Akash Kumar and I am a student of class 12. I live at Badaharak and my father's name is Sri Ajay Giri. He is a businessman. I want to be army and that's all. Thank you.
My name is Varsha Singh and I am a student of class 11. I live at Badaharak. My father's name is Ramasankar Singh and he is a businessman. And I want to be army. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Subodh Kumar and I am a student of class 12 and I live at Pakridal and my father's name is Sri Stramsan. He is a businessman. I want to be army. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Priya Kumari and I am a student of class 11th. I live at Fulwar and my father's name is Mr. Sukumar Singh. He is a LIC agent and want to be doctor. That all. Thank you.
My name is Aftab Alam and I am a student of class 11th. I live at Sisani Bazar and my father's name Mohammad Qasim Siddiqui. He is a farmer and want to be army.